Hi guys, I'm Johnny and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make chicken teriyaki. I really love chicken teriyaki. I always get it when I go to the mall. So chicken teriyaki is like a sweet and sour, more like a salty sweet chicken sauce. It is so delicious, very easy to make. So let's get started. So guys, in this bowl I have some chicken breast that I cut into strips and I season it with salt and pepper. Just a little bit of salt, don't go too heavy because we already have salt in the sauce, so we don't want to salty this recipe. So in a pan over medium-high heat, I added some cooking oil. I allow it to get hot, and then we're gonna cook our chicken in batches for about 8 minutes in total until it is nice and golden brown on both sides. So for the sauce, in this jug, I'm going to go ahead and add all my ingredients for the sauce. Starting out with some soy sauce, brown sugar, rice vinegar, mirin. Mirin is a sweet Japanese seasoning condiment, minced garlic, and I'm going to mix everything together, and then we're going to go ahead and add some cornstarch. The cornstarch will thicken the sauce, but if you don't have it, you can leave it out, but it will give you a thicker sauce. So mix it all together, and then once your chicken is cooked, you're going to go ahead and add this sauce into the chicken, and you're going to cook it there, I would say for about 3 minutes or until the sauce thickens. This is how my chicken looks. It looks so delicious and it smells divine, and that's it. You can serve it with white rice. I'm going to top it up with some green onions just for decorations, but this, oh my god. It is so delicious, so easy, as you can see, so easy to put together, and all you have to do is just find the ingredients and you have yourself some nice teriyaki chicken. I'm just missing the rice. Why I forgot the rice? It is so good. As you know, I love making my takeout food. I already have like 5 Asian inspired recipes like orange chicken, chicken and broccoli, sweet and sour chicken, general so you can search on my channel along with this one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.